Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this condition, you see these boiler tubes are very dirty because sludge and corrosion too much appear on tubes because surface of boiler shell inner side also corrosion, and this situation should be need replace the tubes. Carbon also a reason about damaged tubes and scale also. So account your total tubes and take inside dia tubes and outside dia tubes and tube length, and before installation you should be check boiler tubes edge inner side because should be carefully remove tubes, no need to the damage plate. This is very important, otherwise leakage appear again. So should be welding certified person which have experience because boiler is a pressure vessel, so very important, welding is very correct. So after installation you can do hydro test more than working pressure and check boiler leakage or not leakage. So after you can care your boiler properly, doing descaling, carbon cleaning and also water treatment chemical. So this is a insulation also important. Check boiler door inside insulation, door side also. You see this is nice looking because and other reason also, if boiler overheat also tubes are damaged because low water is also a big issue. So this is major cause which one I share you. So proper check your burner safety. So these tips I share you is very important. So you see here is the before carbon cleaning, furnace inside carbon too much and tubes looking also black because that's why I'm saying should be need carbon cleaning. Okay, so use good material for cleaning like brush, steel brush, wire, and before cleaning should be 24-hour boiler shutdown. Very important, boiler should be off and cool down, then you go to the service. Assalamu alaikum.